So namaste, here is Yogi Style, and today I am going to tell about gurus. So what is the most important element in the path of spirituality and anything for the life transformation and bringing the light into the darkness and the ignorance, dark ignorance, and the world of dark ignorance, whoever brings the light within, we can say that is guru. So there are two types of gurus, the outer guru and the inner guru. The outer guru can be a medium like a person, book, or any situation that can stimulate you, and these are helps to stimulate the inner guru within you. So when the inner guru inside get activated and you can perceive the things as it is, the search for the outer guru ended. There are only friends. When you become the medium and you can see beyond your desires, your hunger, your greed, your mental conditioning, your wounds, going above all that and looking at the things as a medium. It's just you have the symptom of you have activated the inner guru. So now you become the friend. When both people have get activated that inner guru and sometimes get affected by others manipulations and their own emotions with their own mental conditioning, the other one guides who is like a friend, and both when sit together in the axis, universal axis and cosmic intelligence, becoming a medium, and the wisdom flows, the question and answers flows automatically, like Shiva and Shakti. Like one becomes a student, other becomes a guru, like, and another becomes the guru and the another becomes the disciple, like. So the disciple is the guru also, the guru is the disciple also. How? The disciple knows the question to stimulate that inner guru within, and the guru knows that that question needed to be asked, which question, and the disciple knows, the Shakti knows what can the Shiva can explain. Shakti knows already. She is just asking to listen the explanation from Shiva's mouth only. That doesn't mean Shakti doesn't know. She knows, but want to be want to make Shiva tell to the world. So this is when the both have stimulated and activated that inner guru, and they are just having conversation with the and the axis of cosmic intelligence, becoming a medium and towers, getting the energies, wisdom, and truth, and connected in love. That profound love in the heart and flows through this medium, then both can easily get connected to the cosmic intelligence or wisdom or power, everything. That is Tantra. That is the way you can get any power easily, any wisdom easily. And both together just helps to speed up the process. When both the inner guru get together to make each other realize, and each other can help to show their wrong right mental conditioning and whenever they are falling down. So that is the process of inner guru. But the outer guru is can be a person when you are not able to see from the inner guru, perceive the things as it is. So you are dependent of another guru outside, which can be a person, book, any situation,